Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini sauce using an easy method. First, wash and trim about 2 pounds of fresh zucchini, then dice it into half-inch pieces. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatic vegetables form the base of our delicious sauce. Have your favorite herbs, such as fresh basil or oregano, ready to add later for a burst of flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and garlic, sautéing them gently until they become translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your diced zucchini to the pan. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the zucchini starts to soften. Once the zucchini is tender, it's time to build the sauce. Pour in 1/14, 5-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, stirring to combine all the ingredients. Add about 1/4 cup of fresh basil or other herbs and season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. Your easy zucchini sauce is almost ready. For a smoother texture, you can use an immersion blender or transfer portions to a regular blender until it reaches your desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasonings one last time. Serve this versatile sauce hot over your favorite pasta, with grilled chicken, or as a delicious side dish. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.